I want to welcome you all to this second OFX and Macquarie Media presentation. Today what we've done is brought together some businesses plus some experts in a workshop that we think really can give some assistance to help to go global.
We're promoting new cane, a low GI sugar.
Those natural compounds are left in sugar so that you don't break it down into glucose and fructose, and glucose is the killer for diabetes.
So is this the end of sugar?
David's invented a new standard of raw sugar.
Prene Bags is a women's accessories label and all the bags are made from neoprene. I promoted it on Instagram and from there it just grew and grew and grew. And I feel like there's no reason why it can't replicate the success here overseas. I just don't know where to start.
How do you take a local brand to the world?
Think of every new market has a compounding complexity. You've got a new supply chain, you've got new people, you've got new regulations.
The biggest thing that we see with our clients is they get stars in their eyes about the size of potential markets.
You need to make sure that you are working with a distributor who has got your interests at heart. So, you could easily get a distributor that is working with a competitive product.
You can't manage almost anywhere from Sydney. You can't understand what's going on in San Francisco from here. Sooner or later, you're going to have a distributor or a local running that play for you.
Profitable from first purchase. And if a market's not doing well, we just pull it out.
Why are we taking our business overseas? Is it to help us decrease production costs? Is it going to let you create economies of scale and therefore drive profitability?
As you start to get those global sales, then trying to be closer to your market to fulfill it's going to be pretty important.
There's no greater reward than seeing your hard work pay off.
Rather than trying to knock down doors, you suddenly find yourself in a position where you become that standard.
That's why we're here today.
It was so great to hear from different panellists in so many different industries and how, even though they're so different, they can apply to all businesses and specifically to me.
We had some fantastic business experts. We learned about momentum in the market, how important that is, and pitching right.
And that's where OFX likes to play. Companies that are really trying to go global, solving real problems, and Aussie startups. So we love it. Good luck.